insignificant. Avagya, avajananti magamudha manasim tanuvasita. These rascals, because I uh, uh, observe my pastimes, just like human being, they are accepting me as human being, ordinary. Manasim tanuvasita. Parambhava vajananta. They do not know what is the background of Krishna. The background of Krishna is in the beginning, say, Janmadasya jataha, the first aphorism of Vedanta Sutra. That means, Vedanta means to understand Krishna. These rascal Vedantis, they try to kill Krishna. They want to become himself Krishna, the so-called Vedantis. Vedaishta sarvai ahameva vedyam. The purpose of reading Vedanta means to understand Krishna. So without understanding Krishna, without being trained how to understand Krishna, if one reads about Krishna's Raslila, he will go to hell. Because he has got the tendency of this easy sex. So he thinks Krishna is like us. Therefore, for ordinary man, this Krishna Lila means they simply understand Krishna Lila means Krishna's Raslila. That's all. And Krishna's killing the Kansa, that is not Lila. Because Kansas, the Rakshasas, they are afraid of being vanquished by Krishna. That they do not like that Leela. They like this Leela. Therefore the idea is that if we want to understand Krishna, which Krishna understanding is not so easy, Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddhaye jatatam api siddhyanam kaschid vetimam tattat. So, like Sukadeva Goswami, you should hear patiently, submissively, with service and question. So, in that way, Maharaj Parikshit attained salvation in 7 days. If it is Srimad Bhagavatam actually heard in that seriousness, where is that seriousness? That seriousness was there in Parikshit Maharaj because he knew it certainly that he was going to die within 7 days. So I have to finish my God realization, self-realization with 7 days. We are not so serious because we are thinking that we shall live for 7 millions of years. So let me go slowly. Better utilize the time by sleeping. That is our position. If you have got some time, let me take this opportunity by sleeping, not by reading the books. So if you do not become serious, then it will take many, many years. But we should be serious more than Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj had at least time lived 7 days, but we do not know whether we will live again in 7 minutes. Any moment your heart can fail. You do not know. You are going to the street, just like the 2 boys are coming. They did not know that they are going to be killed. So our life is so jeopardized. Any moment I can die. That's the fact. If you don't take seriously like that any moment I can die. So Parikshit Maharaj had the opportunity of hearing Srimad Bhagavatam for 7 days. So I do not know whether I have the opportunity for read Srimad Bhagavatam for 7 minutes. So let me read it very seriously. That should be our attitude. Not that, Parikshit Maharaj was given 7 days notice. Oh, I have no such notice. I may live for 7 millions of years. That is our disease. Here the most wonderful thing is that everyone is seeing, that everyone is dying every moment. But the man seeing, he is thinking that he will live forever. This is the most wonderful thing. Nobody thinks, no, he is dying, so I will have to die. No, he thinks I will live. He is dying. This is the most wonderful thing. He does not think that I have seen, my father has died, my mother has died, my brother has died, so everyone has died, so I will die. So what I am doing before death? They are not serious. Not at all serious. But death is as sure as death. And we do not know when that death is coming to take place. So how much serious we should be? We should be very serious. Labdha sudullamamidam bahusambhavanti. We have got this human form of body, human consciousness, advanced consciousness, after many, many births, after through the evolutionary process. Many millions of years we have passed through many species of life. Asiting chaturang shaiva lokhyang stang jiva jatishu. Asiting chaturang, 84 lakhs or 8,400,000. Brahmadbhi purusai manasam. In this way, going through so many species of life, we have got this human form of life. Tadapi afalatam jata atmabhimaninam barakanam anasita govinda charanadayam. In this valuable life it will also be spoiled if we don't surrender to Krishna. Krishna is canvassing personally. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. Aham tva sarva papi mama Krishna. Krishna personally comes to canvass. Because we are all Krishna's children. He is very sorry that we are in this miserable condition of life. He is very sorry. But we are so full, we do not know that what is the condition of our life. We are thinking we are very, very happy. This is called Maya. He is suffering. He is kicked by the shoes of Maya every moment, and he still is thinking, I am very happy. Why shall I go back to home? I shall remain in America. But you cannot be allowed to remain in America. You are thinking, all right, you are born of a very rich family, a rich nation, you have got opulence, you have your roads and your houses are very nice, but who is going to allow you to live here? Why don't you think like that? You may live for 50 years or 60 years or almost 100 years, then you will be kicked out. But they do not know that life is eternal. When I am kicked out, then what life I am going to accept? They are in oblivion. There is no education in the university. And this is going on. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is a boon to the human society. You should take it very seriously and utilize your human form of life to understand it and be happy. Thank you very much.